6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points. 10 points. That's my record. That's my life best record. Yesterday I came up with a crazy idea. What if I could play a computer game, but instead of a mouse, I would control the game with a guitar? Crazy, right? Anything is possible, they say, so having thought about this all the evening, I finally had a plan. A simple one. My goal is to make a move in the game just after hitting the string. How to do that? First, I need to transform the continuous output coming from the guitar into discrete impulses, each associated with a single string hit. Then, these impulses must be translated into some form of a computer-readable information, and finally the game must be fed with this information to make the character move. My first guess was obvious. I just posted a video about string hit detection last week, so I'm going to use my own software for the first part of the plan. The software also does the second part already. It translates the impulses into Midi messages, and these are universally readable by most of the computer devices, at least by mine. So there's only one thing left on the list. If I'll go with Midi, then the game must also have a Midi module implemented. That's not just something every game delivers straight out of the box, right? So I would have to implement it myself, and that requires having access to the original game source code. Well, what could I do? The game hunt had begun. There is one limitation. My software outputs only binary data. It's either 1 or 0. This means I can only play games with one button, but it won't stop me. I don't know where you were at in 2K14, but Flappy Bird took over the world, and it just so happens to be the perfect one-button candidate. If you don't remember 2K14, let me remind you. Welcome to the year 2K14, where Flappy Bird is a simple but impossibly addictive game. The player has to control a little bird-like creature while it's flying in between the pipes coming from the ground and the sky. The goal is to skip as many pipes as one possibly can. As I was searching for the open source Flappy Bird knockoff, I had a eureka moment. What if I could translate Midi messages straight into keyboard actions? This way I wouldn't have to spend any time on coding, and that would save me lots of work. It turned out I wasn't the first one to be in need of such Midi to key translation, and the tool doing just that already exists, and it's free. Shout out to Midi to key creators. Okay, so I found this online version of Flappy Bird, and I think it's fine. I'm going to play this one. Ha! Free. Okay, let's play. I tried to record the screen and run my algorithm at the same time, but apparently my laptop is too weak to handle these two very heavy duty processes at the same time, so you're just gonna have to look at this screen from this camera. If not, then the latency becomes unbearable. I just can't play this game at all. Okay, I got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points. 10 points. That's my record. That's my life best record. So you saw for yourself my best all-time record in Flappy Bird is 10 pipes. I know it's a very strange kind of achievement, but I'm very proud of it. And this only proves that one can actually play the game with a guitar. I'm also very proud of my algorithm. It actually does the job and the latency was exceptionally low. That's it for today. Subscribe to keep me motivated and I will create new content about signal processing. Thanks for watching.